If you're a newcomer to Python and coding, this kind of material, the stuff that real Python suggests, I think this is the best deal you can find out there, and this is the best investment you can make. My name is David. My current role is QA and automation. I just got into the industry 1 year ago and been using real Python really extensively since then. I'm based in Tel Aviv City, Israel. Getting into tech, coming from a non-tech background, was really tough. Access to information and knowledge is not a problem nowadays. Everyone knows that. It's just that most of it is written in a very specific jargon and in a very specific format, which I found very like which I found very hard to understand and to learn from in a desired pace, right? For someone who's coming from outside of the industry. Yes. Anytime I reach to my credit card, I have doubts and concerns, right? Looking at the price, I said, what could go wrong? I mean, they also have a guarantee, no questions asked, you get the money back, etc. It's like, and you know what? Looking back, it's a no-brainer in my opinion. You should not save money on good education, good materials. So one of the fundamental concepts of Python and coding in general is object-oriented programming, OOP. And I have struggled a lot to understand this specific area, I mean, for a very long time. And my aha moment was when I watched a video tutorial by Real Python that explains the concepts of object-oriented programming in Python. And actually they did it with a very stupid example, right? Like making a dog object with a roof method. But I don't know, the instructor was great, and actually going through the tutorial, it really helped me understand what's going on and how to use it. Anytime that I have to go online and look for a new topic that I know I have to study in order to move forward and keep the progress going, Real Python is my always go-to, right? I mean, if Real Python have a tutorial about this specific topic, I go there. If you're a newcomer to Python and coding, this kind of material, the stuff that Real Python suggests, I think this is the best deal you can find out there, and this is the best investment you can make. You can find way more compact materials out there. It's the fact that it is more digestible, and this saves a whole lot of time and a whole lot of frustration. You see, and I think that avoiding frustration in this specific field is one of the main keys that will keep you going, because you can get frustrated quite easily, I would say. So as I said, especially for newcomers to Python who want to get the ball rolling real quick, not wasting time. I spent countless hours on the internet trying to learn this stuff, and I believe that Real Python made by far the best impact on my career and my learning path.